Today we are here in the Lion's Den, and we are looking at a D10R that we're going to have at auction. One of two D10Rs, August 20th in Austin, Texas. Go to our website, www.lionauction.com. Got a full set of pictures of both D10s on there. This one's got a single shank ripper, pin puller, 28-inch pads, light new undercarriage. I mean, this undercarriage is in good shape. Got a nice little SU blade on it there. You hear it running. I will jump up in the cab. You have to bear with my bouncing. Got a good blade, good cutting edges. Was used on the job. It's very good shape. Let me jump up there real quick. Very clean inside the cab. Equalizer bar looks very good. Blade looks tight. Obviously it goes forward and back. Nice machine. Showing, you can't see it, it's showing 11,889 hours. Who knows if that's right, but I can tell you what, it is a nice machine, and it'll go right to work for you. It'll go right to work the day after you buy it. Obviously you got to tear it apart, but it's a nice machine. Come see us August 20th, Austin, Texas, Alex Lion and Son. Thank you.